Hello everyone, and we are back with another video. Just a quick update on my Warm Hugs delivery service device. There's been a new upgrade. We've added this little piece of red tape, and as everyone knows, if a thing has red tip on the end, it is just a toy, like an airsoft toy or a Nerf gun. And over here we have a nice Hikoki box of the Warm Hugs to be delivered. Here we go. We've got a little small Warm Hugs device that goes in the end here, and at the tip we have a little hug initiator, which makes sure that the Warm Hugs be able to leave this container of warm hug fluid. And then over here we have a different one. This is a bouncy, what I like to call a bouncy Warm Hug. It's got a squishy front. Oh no, it's leaking. There's hug fluid leaking all out of it. I should probably get rid of that. Oh, it's all through my case. Oh, that's bad. Hope no one accidentally lights these hugs on fire. Anyway, we've got this one over here, which I've had the fins removed just because they didn't really make any aerodynamic sense. This one's also got a bouncy thing at the top, but this one is more of a flash hug. And then over here we have the mirror hug, which makes you look at your own face right before it gives you a hug, with a nice little hug initiator stored behind the mirror, and then some warm hug fluid to deliver the hug. And then over here we have another one. This one also has a warm hug initiator, but it's all sealed in, and it has to be going a certain speed in order for the hug to initiate. And then over here we have a similar one. This one just has a lid cap on the top, and then the hug initiator is actually concealed underneath the lid cap. Anyway, when you want to use it, you just take your Warm Hug and you just insert the Warm Hug into the tube, and then you just take these two Warm Hug initiation wires and you just strip the tips and touch them together, and then the hug goes wee, boom, 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 and then there's a huge big Warm Hug delivered. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, and if anyone wants to take my Warm Hug machine away from me, let me remind you that I have a Warm Hug machine with lots of Warm Hugs. Goodbye. Alright, it looks like someone is on their way to take away my Warm Hugs machine. Just gonna have to prepare for this real quick. They should be here any minute. Siren's getting louder. I'm just gonna take care of this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.